Hey, what's up guys? And happy spring. For the next 5 days or so through the 25th, Amazon's actually running a spring sale, which is kind of like a spring version of Black Friday or Prime Day or something. We've got some discounts available on different countermeasures. As usual, there's more discounts available on like dash cams than there are on radar detectors. I've been looking at the different deals online. Some of them are not so great, others are actually pretty nice. And so in this video, let's go ahead and run through the different discounts that are available. I'll point out which ones are actually some of the best that you can pick up right now, and I'll have links down in the description, as usual, to all the different things that we talk about in this video. So with that said, let's go ahead and hop on the computer and take a look at all the different discounts that we now have available. So to start things off, let's begin here first with radar detectors. When it comes to Unidens, not really seeing many discounts. The R3 is available for 20 bucks off. Right before shooting this video, it was $280. Now it's $279, so they fluctuate a little bit. The R8 was actually listed at 20 bucks off. Now it's actually back to full price. So again, this kind of stuff can fluctuate and it can vary. Some of the things though, the prices are a little bit more fixed. Moving on to the different Redenso detectors, they've got a couple discounts available here, but this is also typically in line with like some of their best discounts that you'll see. So like the XP and the DS1, for example, if you want to pick up one of those. Then on the Escort side, we've got $100 off the Maxcam 360C. It's the same discount as if you go to like Escort's website, for example. They're also listing it 100 bucks off directly from their site. Something else to note though, the non-Dashcam versions like the Max 360C Mark II and just the one without Wi-Fi, the Max 360 Mark II, no discounts on those. But the typical like $50 off coupon code that I've got listed here on my site, you can use that. But this discount code is not related to the spring sale or anything. And then moving on to dash cams, we've got a number of different discounts here for different VFO dash cams. Now, as far as the ones that actually most caught my eye, we've got the original VFO A119 V3, so something just super simple and inexpensive and pretty basic, but driving, parking, recording, records in 2K, all that kind of stuff. And this is kind of one of the lowest prices that I typically see for this dash cam. That said, the newer version, the A119 Mini 2, I definitely prefer this. Starvis 2 sensor, it adds Wi-Fi and voice commands, voice control, like a lot of extra useful features. So I think for like just a good single channel dash cam, this would be the way to go. This is one of the best discounts that I typically see on the A119 Mini 2. I'm actually working on a video right now for like the best dash cams on the market, and this is going to be my go-to pick for the kind of like best entry level dash cam. But by the time I get the video done, the prices will probably go back up to like full price. So if you want to pick up like a simple front only dash cam at a lower price point, this would actually be the one to get, kind of in my opinion. If you take a look at VFO's website, they've got it listed there as well, but it's like $20 higher. So the discount that you've currently got on Amazon is actually going to be the best deal here on this dash cam. Then if you want to do a 2-channel dash cam for front and rear recording, there's the VFO A229 Plus. This one, it's also got a nice discount available as well. It's under $200 now. Again, this price is going to be better than what you'll see if you go to VFO's website directly. Though if you take a look at the kind of regular MSRP, $250, that's normally where it's priced at. If you go take a look on Amazon, they list it at like $270 as the list price. So sometimes they do kind of like mark up the list price to make it seem like a bigger discount. But even compared to the $250, which is usually more where it's at, this is definitely a nice discount here on the A229 Plus. Then if you want to step it up to 4K recording, the A229 Pro, this is like the main dash cam that I run in my wife's car and in my car. I really like this one. The 2-channel version right now, again, better deal compared to what you'll pick up even on VFO's website. So Amazon is the place to go for that. Additionally, if you want to pick up the 3-channel version to get that added interior camera, it's only an extra $20. It does lower the kind of like full quality of the front camera a little bit. But if you want to add the interior facing dash cam, you can get that now for just an extra $20. I've run a 2-channel in one of my cars and a 3-channel in the other one. Then something else worth pointing out, if you take a look, they've also got some discounts on different things like a hardwire kit, as well as a VFO memory card. Something I've noticed about the A229 Pros, it can be kind of picky as far as which memory cards you use in the dash cam. And like most other manufacturers, VFO typically recommends their own branded memory cards. And if you want to pick one up, they're on sale as well. Here's a 256 gig card. I actually just ordered the 512 gig card like this. And if you're going to pick up this dash cam, they've also got some discounts on things like the hardwire cable like this. So instead of using the cigarette lighter cable, you can like have a cleaner install with the hardwire cable, 20% off that. And it looks like an additional 25% off on the 256 gig VFO card as well. And then taking a look at some of the Vantrue dash cams next, it looks like they've got a number of discounts available as well on a variety of different models. As far as kind of my favorite Vantrue, that's going to be the N4 Pro. About $80 off here. So 4K Starvis 2 sensor here for the front. Also an interior facing dash cam that's kind of built into the front one. It's not a separate module the way you've got with the A229 Pro and the A229 Plus. And then a third rear camera as well. So if you're looking for kind of like something a little bit more integrated, this is going to be a good option for you. Then taking a look at the Blackviews, I'm not seeing any discounts on any of their different models, but when it comes to the ThinkWare models, I was looking through these and it looks like they do have a variety of different discounts. The best one that I'm seeing as far as maybe one of my favorite thinkwares is the U3000 single channel. This does your 4K recording, Starvis 2, but the main thing is kind of the low-powered parking recording capability, and you can see from the picture it actually has like a radar transmitter. It's a K-band transmitter, so it can give you like low-power long-term parking recording and give you buffered parking recording using the radar. It only transmits when you're parked, not when you're driving, so it doesn't conflict with your radar detector or anything. It can cause falses to other detectors that drive by from the K-band transmitter, but that's just kind of something cool if you want like long-term parking recording and still 4K recording and all that. And then finally, of course, there's going to be a bunch of other stuff that's on sale as well, just miscellaneous things I was noticing, like some of the best selling electronics, like the AirTags, the 4-pack, for example. That's one of the lowest prices that I've seen on the AirTags. Super useful for tracking stuff around the house or on trips. We use them all the time. And then lastly, one kind of random thing to mention, there's a lot of people picking up these solar eclipse glasses right now, and the reason is because on April 8th, there's actually going to be a solar eclipse here in the United States. The path of totality is going to be right here around the middle of the country. Looks like going through Dallas, almost through Cincinnati here, where a lot of the detectors are actually manufactured. So this is where totality is going to be. Over here in Seattle, for example, we're going to get very little of an eclipse. If you take a look at kind of like a simulation, this is what it's going to look like here in where I live. So not like a huge eclipse, but we're still going to be getting something, you know. But for most of the country, you can see the closer you get to here, you're going to be getting more and more of an eclipse. So anyways, this is April 8th, totally random, not a countermeasure thing, but just FYI in case any of you guys want to go watch it. And so, yeah, that's a run through as far as the different sales and discounts and whatnot that I've been seeing looking online. There's a bunch of different stuff. So down in the description to make it easier, I'm just going to link to all the different things that I talk about, different radar detectors and dash cams and memory cards and all that kind of stuff. I know it's a lot of stuff, so I'll just put it all right down there for you guys. And so that said, that's it for now. Again, happy spring. Been getting warmer weather here in Seattle. Hope you guys have been enjoying the weather too. And other than that, stay safe, happy driving, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.